Good morning. The bulls look great under the new LEDs. They certainly do. Everything is running smoothly. Good morning, Maya. Everything running smoothly?
Hello, Sanjay. Yes, the morning shift is going perfectly. The herd looks magnificent today. Make sure the Sahiwal shipment is processed by noon. Yes, heading there now.
Easy now. Shh, easy. Just a little further. Hold the line steady. Easy now. Watch the horns. Ramp descent confirmed.
Good morning, Priya. The bulls look magnificent today.
They certainly do, Sanjay. It's a pleasure to see you.
Greetings. Everything running smoothly? Yes. The new feed system is very efficient.
Easy now, big fella. Let's keep moving down the line.
You're doing great, sweetie. Just a little further.
Good boy, right there. Watch the spacing on the left flank.
Guide Unit 34 forward.
Interface confirms. Moving to the next group.
Next truck, approach Gate 2. Wait for the signal.
Easy now, big fella. You're doing great. Steady on, just a little further.
Good morning. Pull straight ahead to the automated scanning bay. We'll handle the unloading from there.
Keep the pressure steady on the horns.
Got it. Watch the flank on number 2.
He's clear.
Just relax, gentle cycle for the horns. You are such a beautiful boy, almost finished.
There you go, nice and clean. Look at that shine.
The lather on the horns looks good. Agreed. Make sure the tail is clean before the rinse.
The shine on these horns is incredible, and the muscle definition utterly perfect. A true testament to the factory standards.
Easy, steady there.
The reading is stable at 1250.
Gently now, keep moving. Easy, easy.
Easy now, easy. That's a good bull. Keep moving slowly. Keep moving slowly.
Ensure the tension is uniform across the sleeve. Yes, the stitching looks precise here.
Watch the leather on this one.
Okay, bringing it over now.
We need 3 more for truck 4.
Clear the bay for the London shipment. Move it slowly.
All systems green. The Milan shipment is ready to roll. The stitching on this lapel is absolutely perfect.
Sure.
It truly is a masterpiece of craftsmanship.
Departure sequence initiated. All clear on the main line. Confirmed. Truck 4 proceeding to exit.
The new line is running perfectly today. Yes, the displays are incredible.
Ensure the pallet is secured before the vehicle departs. Yes, checking the straps now.
Make sure the Sahiwal shipment is processed by noon. Yes, heading there now.